Hey everyone, my name's Ali and welcome back to my channel Mindful Living. If you're interested in unique recipe ideas, growing your own food and gardening, along with finding joy in the ordinary like me, then be sure to subscribe to my channel as I upload new videos every week. Okay, let's get started with today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to grow blackberries in containers. I purchased this plant about a week ago, so I'm going to show you guys quickly how I transplant that, along with a few tips on how to grow blackberries. So this blackberry bush is by Bushel and Berry, and it is actually called a baby cakes variety of blackberry. So it's basically a dwarf variety that is thornless and is made to grow in a container. This variety will only get to be 3 to 4 feet tall, so it's definitely a more compact variety of blackberry, making it perfect for small spaces, or if you're growing out on your patio like me. Just showing you guys here the size container I'm going to be using. So this is going to fit perfect for my blackberry bush. You do want a very large size container. This is the biggest container that I actually have. It's at least 20 inches wide, so I would recommend something very large for your blackberry bush. So let's go ahead and get started with filling our container with soil. I like to moisten my soil from the bottom. Go ahead and keep filling your container and adding more water. Blackberries prefer a neutral soil with a pH of 6.5 to 7.5. You can go ahead and mix that around a bit. You want your soil to basically be the texture of a crumbled brownie mix, and that's how you know the soil is moist enough. You never want to plant into dry soil, you always want to make sure it's moist. So let's go ahead and dig out a hole in the middle here. This is a very big plant, so I want to make sure the hole is really large. I have my gardening gloves on here and I'm going to show you guys how I get this out of the container. It's really easy, it just pops right out. You can place it right into your container. As you guys can see, there's not quite enough soil, so once you have that in the container, you can go ahead and start filling around until your blackberry bush is completely covered. I'm so excited to be growing this year on my balcony. It's my first time growing blackberries. If you have grown before, feel free to leave me a comment down below with any of your tips and tricks. Blackberries do like full sun, at least 6 to 8 hours a day, so make sure to put it in a sunny spot on your balcony or patio space. You also want to make sure to keep your soil moist and never let it dry out. This year I am using this little gadget that tests my soil moisture, so you can grab something like this off Amazon or at Walmart. So the baby cake variety of blackberry will give you 2 harvests, one in the summer and one in the early fall. They are self-pollinating, so you don't have to worry about that. One other thing to note is you only want to prune the dead canes, which are the sticks coming out of the middle there, when no new growth is happening in the spring. If you prune any of the new canes that start growing, it will affect the fruiting of your plant, so just keep that in mind. Make sure you're fertilizing your plant throughout the growing process as well. And before you know it, you're gonna have tons of fresh, delicious berries. I'll be sure to keep you guys updated throughout the season as my blackberries grow, so make sure to stay tuned on my channel for that. I hope if you guys enjoyed this video today, you will leave me a like, leave me a comment down below, let me know if you're growing blackberries this year, and as always, please subscribe to my channel, I would love to have you here. Thanks so much for watching, see you guys in my next one.